Good morning everyone. I think all you are quite well at your home and enjoying with online classes, even learning from online classes provided by BVN and enjoying with the online classes. In previous video, पहले क्लास में आपने क्या देखा? Error or its propagation. Error and its propagation. It comes in different form. In the form of addition, in the form of subtraction, in the form of multiplication or division. Last propagation is what? Last propagation is in the form of power of measurement quantities. Let it. Measurement क्वांटिटीज. अगर मेरी क्वांटिटी पावर की फॉर्म में आएगी, एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन तो आपने देख लिया कल, पर अगर पावर की फॉर्म में आएगा तो मैं एरर कैसे निकालूंगा? उसके लिए ये लॉजिक काम करेगा. ओके, इन चारों के अलावा ये पावर का लॉजिक है केवल. विच इज गिवन अ फॉर्मूला. ऑलवेज वी कीप इन माइंड when error comes in the form of power, it will be solved by only this formula. Okay? Yes. Just suppose x equals to a to the power n over b to the power m. A and b are the measured quantity and x is the final quantity. M and n its power, in which del x, del a, del b are the absolute value of x, a or b. Okay? That is on taking log log a to the power n over log b to the power n. ये नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव में आ जाएगा. ओके, देन on differentiating what we get? Del x over x n del a over a minus m del b over v. In it comes in different forms. Del a may be positive or negative. Del a may be positive or negative, or negative or positive, or both are positive or both are negative. But in best form, it comes in positive or negative. So del A over A plus del V over V. It's a last propagation of error. एरर की फॉर्म की नया लास्ट प्रोपेगेशन है. एडिशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन सब्सट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन के बाद का लास्ट फॉर्म है. जब भी मेरी एरर क्वांटिटीज की पावर की फॉर्म में आएगी, उस टाइम आप इस फॉर्मूले के थ्रू सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, आई विल टोल्ड यू सम स्पेशल टाइप्स ऑफ एरर. दीज आर व्हाट? दीज आर special types. Absolute error. What is absolute error? Absolute error is what? The difference between the mean value and actual value. Difference between the mean value और actual value के बीच का difference है absolute error. Like A1, A2 and A3 are the any three quantity. Its mean is an. A1 plus A2 plus A3 by 3. It's a mean. It's a mean. Okay. And absolute error is what? Del A1 बराबर mean value minus of A1. Del A2 बराबर mean value minus of A2. But it comes in mod. It comes in magnitude. Difference between the mean value और actual value के बीच का magnitude है ये absolute error. Okay, yes. Next one is your what? Next one and last one is mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. What? मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर मतलब सारी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू के मैग्नीट्यूड का मीन, सारी जो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू आपने निकाली है ना अभी, एब्सोल्यूट एरर का मीन का मैग्नीट्यूड है मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर। एज यू फाइंड डेल A1, डेल A2, डेल A1, डेल A2 आर द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ A1, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ A2 and absolute value of A3 and so on. Then mean absolute error is what? Del A become mean of all value, but should be in magnitude. All absolute error comes in the form of mod. Then we take its addition and taking their mean. Okay. Last one is what? Relative error or fractional error. What? Relative or फ्रैक्शनल एरर। रिलेटिव और फ्रैक्शनल एरर मतलब मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर बटे मीन वैल्यू। जो हमने इन क्वांटिटी से मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर निकाला है ना, इट विल बी अ रेशियो ऑफ मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर टू द मीन वैल्यू। रिलेटिव एरर बराबर मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर over its mean value. Mean absolute error over its mean value. It's your relative error or fractional error. With the help of relative or fractional error, we can easily find out the percentage error. What? Percentage error. It's the last one. Percentage error. परसेंटेज एरर क्या है? रिलेटिव एरर को परसेंटेज की फॉर्म में ही लिखना है। इट मीन्स परसेंटेज एरर बराबर रिलेटिव एरर इनटू 100 मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर ओवर its mean value into 100. It's a percentage error. It will be the last part of unit first. After this, you can cover out all first unit. You have check out your dimensional analysis with their uses with example. After completing this, you have covered your rounding off, significant figure, and main topic is your error and its propagation with the form of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Last one is in the form of power of measurement quantities. Okay, these are some special errors. What? Absolute error, mean absolute error or relative error. These are your special errors. On the behalf of it, you can easily find out the percentage error. It means you have done your first unit completely. After that, just write down all these things in your practice notebook and learn it. At the end, I will take a test when school will open and enjoy your days with online classes. Okay.